Hello students. Now today in third lesson arithmetic progression we'll see the next point, that is nth term of an AP. So if A is the first term, and small d the common difference, small d be the common difference, then nth term of an AP denoted by Tn, and given by this formula is there. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Remember this formula. Okay, this is the formula to find nth term. If you put n is equal to 10, then you will get 10th term of that AP. Okay, like that only. Okay, we'll see some examples from practice set 3.2. So from practice set 3.2 we have this example given an AP 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Find the 24th term of this progression. Okay, arithmetic progression, we have to find 24th term. So we start solution like this. Here A, what is A? The first term is 12. Okay, D, the common difference. How we calculate? In yesterday's video we have studied how to find the difference between two terms of an AP. So from second term we have to subtract first one. So 16 minus 12, that is equal to 4, and we have to find the 24th term. So here we take n is equal to 24. Okay, now we have formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Just substitute the values. So you will get T24 is equal to A, that is 12, plus n, that is 24 minus 1 into D, that is 4, is equal to 12 plus 24 minus 1, that is 23 into 4, is equal to 12 plus 23 into 4. So 4 3s are 12, 2 carry, 1 carry, then 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, is equal to, it is 104. That is the answer, and therefore T24 is equal to 104, and therefore the 24th term of given AP is 104. In this way you have to find the term. Okay, now we'll see next example. So from practice set 3.2, next example is like this. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Find how many 3-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 5. So the first 3-digit natural number is, yes, 100, right? And the highest 3-digit natural number, highest, or the last 3-digit natural number, it will be 999, right? 999. So in between 100 and 999, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 5? That count we have to find. Okay, so we start solution like this. The 3-digit numbers, the 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5 are how many, और which are those numbers, है ना, कौन कौन से numbers है वो find करेंगे. So 100 is divisible by 5. Okay, when we say the given number is divisible by 5, if for the given number, if the unit place digit contains 0 or 5, then that number is always divisible by 5. That is the test of divisibility by 5. So here 100, it is divisible by 5. Then 105, it is divisible 5. 110, this is divisible 5. 115, and so on. Now from last, which is the last greatest number, 3-digit number which is divisible by 5. So last number is 999. Is it divisible by 5? Now since the unit place contain 9, So this number is not divisible by 5. 998, 997, 996 and 995. 995 is the greatest 3-digit natural number which is divisible by 5 because this unit place contains 5. Remember this. Okay, so these are the numbers from 100 to 995 which are divisible by 5. And if you observe the difference between two consecutive number, then it is constant, है ना. जो नंबर से डिविजिबल अपने को फाइंड करने करेंगे, पहला नंबर मिला उसके अंदर वो नंबर क्या करेंगे हम लोग, ऐड करते जाएंगे. अगर 4 से डिविजिबल चाहिए तो 100, 104, 108, 112 एंड सो ऑन, ऐसा आएगा वो. बात समझ में आ रही? ओके, सो विच इज एन एपी, विच इज एन एपी, which is an AP with A, that is the first term, is 100. Okay, then D is equal to 105 minus 100, that is equal to 5, and N is equal to N, we have to find how many numbers are there, and Tn is equal to 995. This is the first number, this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Now how much this? मालूम है अपने को कितना नंबर है ये? नहीं मालूम है. So we consider that number as a Tn is equal to 995. Now we have this formula, Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now substitute those values. So you'll get 995 is equal to A, which is 100, plus N minus 1 into D. Value for D is 5. Okay, so this 995, this plus 100 becomes minus 100 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. So 995 minus 100, it is 895 is equal to N minus 1 into 5. Okay, and therefore 895 upon 5, this 5 is in multiplication. On left hand side it comes in the denominator, is equal to N minus 1. Just simplify this. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, है ना, 3 left, 5 7s are 35, 4 left, 5 9s are 45. So 179, this minus 1 becomes plus 1 on left hand side, is equal to N, and therefore N is equal to how much it is? 180. So how many numbers are there? There are total 180 numbers which are divisible by 5, and therefore there are such 180 numbers, 180 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 5. So in this way you have to solve this second example. Yes, any doubt in this? No? Now next one, next example like this. 11, so this is the third example I took here. 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. In this AP, which term is minus 151? Which term? ऐसे आगे हम लोग लिखते जाएंगे, तो लिखते लिखते minus 151 नंबर कितने पोजीशन पे आएगा? That term we have to find. Which term? Okay, so here A is equal to, that is the first term, 11. Then D is equal to, it is 8 minus 11, it is equal to, now 8 has positive sign, 11 has negative sign, subtraction we have to perform. 11 minus 8, that is 3, and greater number sign, that is minus 3, and Tn is equal to minus 151. जैसे ऊपर वाले एग्जाम्पल में हमने Tn लिए थे, सेम वैसा ही, क्योंकि अपने को मालूम ही नहीं 151 minus 151 कितनी टर्म है, वो मालूम है क्या? नहीं मालूम है, इसलिए Tn is equal to 151, and that N we have to find. N का वैल्यू फाइंड करने का, सेम ऊपर जैसा किया वैसा ही नीचे. नाउ सिंस Tn is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D, so it is minus 151 is equal to A, it is 11, plus N we have to find minus 1 into D, value for D is minus 3. So it is minus 151, this plus 11 on left hand side comes minus 11 is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. So this addition, same signs are there, so we have to take addition. 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 1 6, 1 1, and since both has minus sign, so answer is minus 162 upon this minus 3 is in multiplication. On left side it comes in the denominator, is equal to N minus 1. So this minus get cancelled. 3 1s are 3 5s are 15, 1 left, 3 4s are 12. Okay, and therefore, or you can write here, therefore 54 plus 1 is equal to n. This, take this minus 1 on left hand side, so you will get n is equal to 55, and therefore 55th term of given AP is minus 151. So in this way you have to solve this third example. Yes, any doubt in this? Okay.